Fitness with Cindy, brain test 2. Level 1. She wants some chips but cannot reach up there. Just hit the rack with the scooter. Again. Level 2. Use her use her love of chips to make her run. So in this, take the chips and rotate like this until she tired and get the sweat. Don't let her use the elevator. Level 3. Press the elevator button when the elevator is open. Use the stick to stop enter into her into the elevator. She can use the stairs. Help her ascend the stairs. She is in first stair. Tap. Take the top. She is in second stair. Tap. The tap. She is in fourth stair. She is in fifth. Like that. Tap the stairs and take to the top. Level 5. Her feet are terrible after all that climbing. Help her. Take the tub and place here like that. Open the fridge. Take the cool water from the fridge and pour onto her feet. Level 6. She is looking for an easy way to burn calories. So in order to burn calories, open this table. Okay, it is a lighter. So take the lighter and place it on the calories. So automatically the calorie text is burned. Level 7. She wants to start doing exercises but doesn't know how. Okay, we have to find the way to do exercises. Okay, so here the ID card, give it to her. So it is a phone, give it to her. Right. Level 8. Let's begin with the treadmill. Okay, start the treadmill. Increase the speed of the treadmill and tie the lace. Okay. Level 9. She must stretch her body with the pilates. So take the hands like this. Take the hands like this and stretch the leg like this and stretch the another leg like this. Level 10. She must get rid of unhealthy foods in the kitchen. Open the fridge. Throw the unhealthy foods onto the dustbin. Take the chocolate and take the burger. Take the cake. Take the tin. Take the ice cream. Is there anything? Level 11. Some outdoor exercises will be great. Okay, take the dumbbell and take another dumbbell and enlarge this mouse. Level 12. She's walking so slow. Make her run. Level 13. They are so good that it breaks her spirit. Find a solution. So take these parents like this. Okay, one is gone and another one is gone. She's happy. when they fall like that. Level 14. She must follow her trainer's guidance. So when the trainer thumb is up, she has to hands up. When the thumb is down, she has to shake her legs or do with the legs, exercise with the legs. Okay, thumb up, take the hands, thumb down, take the legs like that. Legs. Thumbs up means hands up, legs down. Again, thumbs up means hands up, hands up. Level 15. She needs some more encouragement. So tap the mobile, swipe the mobile like that, or tap the mobile. Okay, here the heart symbol is there. Press the heart symbol continuously like that. Automatically the heart's count will increase. She must maintain her balance. To maintain her balance, need to tap the hands and legs like that. Level 17. We must find a way to make her dislike ice cream. So the old man has the vegetable. So those vegetables. So take this one and take to the give it to ice cream like that. She disliked the ice cream. Level 18. She mustn't get to sleep before doing some exercise. So doing some exercises means at the night time while sleeping, while go to the bed. So switch on the lights. She will irritate with the light. Again when she goes to bed, again turn on the lights. She will come to turn off the lights. Again we turn on the lights. Because she took the bulb and hid somewhere. Okay, open this table. There is one more bulb is there, and fix this bulb like that. So she is continuously do exercise at the night time also. Level 19. She has become quite fit. Now let's build some muscles. So to build some muscles, here the uh, just take this like that. So we have to do like this. She build her muscles while doing like this. Level 20. She has worked hard and established a healthy lifestyle. Time for time for a reward. Now it's time to give her reward. So in the open the fridge and take the healthy foods. Okay. So and put some foods in this. Like some strawberries are there, and is there anything more left in this? Okay, here the some more vegetable and fruits are there. Mix those vegetables, fruits, and give the juice to her. So it is a reward to her.